Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I'm fine. The type of social media marketing, type of digital marketing. Digital marketing, the type of digital marketing. The lot of type digital marketing, but important type I can present the lecture, my class, my videos. The number one, digital marketing can approval in many forms, including the following. The lot of people, the lot of oil, lot of suggest type of digital marketing, but I can suggest on my decision and my uh, opinion, my class type of digital marketing. The lot of presentation, but just another's. The first type of digital marketing. The number one, email marketing. Number two, social media marketing. Very important part of social media marketing. Number three, pay per click, PPC advertising. Number four, content marketing. Number five, response content. Number six, affiliate marketing. Number seven, short message and service. And another and marketing, lot of marketing, the inbounds marketing and digital marketing. Then I can provide the type of digital marketing. Email marketing organize, reach and the customer and proceed the customer through email with the global and promoting the current business, the part and search the sales and event inbound. The social media marketing, the very important part of social media marketing. The organization use social media marketing through the platform, including the lot of social media marketing, lot of social media platform, 136 social media marketing, but the top 10 social media marketing very highly and top social media marketing and so top social media platform. Number one, Facebook. Number two, Instagram. Number three, Twitter. Number four, Pinterest. Number four, five, LinkedIn, etc. To connect and communication with the customer and the positive customers, the notification, then the update, a deal was will just communication and branding the social trust. Number three, pay per click, PPC advertising. The PPC advertising enable the organization to advertise on the defense website with the paid ads. An example, search and advertisement, the brand ad with the engaged data are the collect the about user. The ads can be targeted by catching like page, generate location, generate internet, etc. The ads possible to paid event time and use the click through the ad. The content marketing, number four. The digital marketing strategy trade of research custom thoughts, the connecting refuse the thoughts and organization products and possible ad website with the internet and promote through others marketing types, search and social media and email. Sponsor content. An organization pays another business to create and promote contain the highly the marketing the products to service. Affiliate marketing. An organization pays a communication to and includes and space platform search and number one, very important, the YouTube, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, the others platform. Promote your product and service. Affiliate marketing. An organization pays a communication to an influencer and specific platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, Tweet, TikTok promote this product and service. Short and message service SMS marketing. Organized might choose use the SMS, the send products and customs, the portfolio condition running to offer, the communicate and send SMS message and the part of their campaign the offer. The marketing audience, this he has because the indirectly improved and digital marketing as the company's tied and rich brand sold potential customer and link customer brand with the potential new purchase. For example, organization use marketing, automobiles, etc. etc. The type of digital marketing, the lot of type of digital marketing. The lot of OI and digital marketing just I can number one, this is the others, the blogs and others website, the nice presentation. The number one, content marketing. Number two, search engine optimization. When you start the content products, you can companies and your public must be able to find the search engine optimization. Always your content rank the top position, the search engine, the Google. Number three, SMM, social media marketing. Social media marketing very important part in both the causes the important high just choose the more sustainable social network from your person and brand products and service and content. Number four, paid advertising. Paid advertising as a Google ad campaign, social media ad campaign. Number PPC, pay per click, CPM, cost per mile. Number five, email marketing. Number six, internet message and marketing. Number seven, affiliate marketing. Number eight, influencer marketing. Number nine, mobile marketing. Number 10, video marketing. Number 11, audio marketing. Number 12, virtual related marketing. The lot of 12 position the provide is marketing. I am details the 12 most effective type of digital marketing. Then content marketing, search engine optimization, SMM, social media marketing, paid advertising, email marketing, internet message marketing, affiliate marketing, influencer marketing, mobile marketing, video marketing, audio marketing, virtual relative marketing. So I can these videos lot of provide, but the important to talk two or three topics these details. Influencer marketing. One of our talking about digital influencer, it is the explain why to specific in the specific subject with the big audience, large and the shrine and influencer marketing as like Instagram. You can make the public stage the products and shows the there are public the result more positive and in influencer maybe speak and sometimes they make money. Number 9, mobile marketing. The nowadays the mobile marketing nowadays and mobile marketing is almost the moderate if you want research customer. Google research shows is that 27% is the global population use the voice search on mobile and whose customized journey in because influencer complex. There are research also shows they are immediate and audios, and nothing more than immediate enabling promote with the smarting and mobile marketing. Then create an apps and adoption instation message. Open the product and service by globality. Explain SMS. Opt-in. Number 10, video marketing. Video marketing as like YouTube and Instagram. Number 11, audio marketing. In these mobiles areas and audio marketing, discuss some attention from marketing. Even don't even the same dynamic voice and promote and like products, keys and BOS and customs that the products are the address, the prone and tracking, etc. etc. Number 12, virtual reality marketing. There are VR virtual reality already is when many because and make and achieve the brand audience and brand customers and specific beginning customer virtual realities marketing. The nice presentation, the type of social media marketing, digital marketing. Where are the 12 most effective the type of digital marketing? I'm again number 1, content marketing. Number 2, search engine optimization. Number 3, search engine social media marketing. Number 4, paid advertising. Number 5, email marketing. Number 6, internet message marketing. Number 7, affiliate marketing. Number 8, influencer marketing. Number 9, mobile marketing. Number 10, video marketing. Number 11, audio marketing. Number 12, virtuality marketing. Thank you, my friend. The most important, very effective and type of digital marketing. Thank you. Best of luck.